Alright, so guys, on this tutorial we are going to show you how to sew a collar roll taping or tapping, right? How to sew a collar roll, right? So guys, we have done cutting it. We cutted the v-neck and we open it just like this, just like we are seeing it right here to the down part. The set length is 24 inches. So we have cutted the inside, right? The middle like this. You see where the line is being marked right here? We cutted it and we made it separate, right? Two different, right? To make it to be able to use it for the collar roll, right? So now we are going to measure it all around and to be able to get the measurement for the collar roll tipping or collar roll sewing, right? So now, without wasting my time, let's start measuring it. So to measure it, we got to bring it to the down part like this. So we are going to measure it from this place. Even this place, so the way this thing you do, I don't like it, but let me measure it. So we are going to measure it from this place. Can you see it? From the down part all through. When I'm measuring it, you're going to see it. So we are going to measure it from this place all through to the end part, right? So please watch it the way I'm doing it, and you'll be able to see exactly how to measure a collar roll, right? So guys, we are measuring it to get the length of the collar roll, so that we cut a different fabric design to make it, to be able to bring it and to stitch the collar roll design. So we are measuring it all through to the neck and to the down part again, right? Now we are on 35 inches. We are measuring it all to the down part. So guys, can you see the way I'm measuring this place? I will make it go straight to this place, right? I will measure it to this place, right? To this corner. So I'll make it the way I did it, or the way I showed you. So now we are getting to the down part. Now we are at 54, 56. So guys, now we have 58.5 inches. We have 58.5 inches for the length of the collar roll, or we can make it we can make it 58 inches. Okay, we can make it 58 inches, right? All right, so guys, this is the fabric that we are using it for the collar roll. We are using it for a collar roll. So just like we make a v-neck, just like we cut the fabric design to make a v-neck, the same way we are going to do this one, right? Okay, so guys, now the wideness of this one too is 3 inches. Guys, can you see it right here? And when you fold it into two, it's 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches right here. So the length of this whole one, this fabric, this design fabric, is 58 inches. We are going to use this one to design the collar roll. So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So I measured this one all through to make it 58 inches, right? Or 58.5. So this one too is 58 inches. It's long. It's gonna waste time. It's just the 58 inches, right? So let's start stitching it. So to start stitching it, you see this place. This is the place that is opening, right? This is the place that's opening. So we are going to bring it. You see, you're going to bring it. You are going to put you're going to hold this one like this. And you're going to do this. You are going to put it on the table like this. Can you see the way I've done right here? And we are going to put it under the sewing machine like this. We are going to put this design on it. This is the place that's going to come outside. The inside is the place. The wrong part is this side, right? And the place that's going to come outside, the right side, is this one. So we are going to stitch it. We have folded it into two. Into two, right? So we are going to stitch it on the 1/4 inch, right? We're going to stitch it on the 1/4 inch all through to the end part. We have folded it into two. So we are stitching it all through. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. So we are stitching it to the end part. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات فأثرن به نقعا فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه لحب الخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بؤسر ما في القبور وحصل ما في الصدور إن ربهم يومئذ لخبير. So guys, whilst you are stitching it, you are making sure that it's going the correct way that you want it. You understand? Or it's taking the way that is not gonna give you any mistake or any wrong, right? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alam nashra laka sadrak wa wada'na anka wizrak allazi anqadha zahrak wa rafa'na laka fa inna ma'al usri yusran inna ma'al usri yusran fa idha faragta wa ila rabbika Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, lahu kufuwan ahad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. So guys, we have done stitching this part, right? We have done stitching this part. Can you see it right here? So guys, we are going to cut the excess part from it. You don't understand? We're going to cut the excess part from it. So now we are going to open it. We gotta cut the excess thread from this place too. So now guys, we are going to open it. We're going to open it like this, guys. Can you see? And you see this place, we are going to cut it from it. And this place too, we are going to cut it from it. So guys, now we are going to arrange it. So to arrange it, you gotta turn it like this to make it loose like this, right? You gotta turn it to make it loose like this, and to make this one too loose like this, right? Can you see, guys? Can you see it? So guys, now we are going to put this one on it like this and iron it. So before we iron it, to make sure the shoulders is on the right path, right? The shoulders is iron on the right path, and we iron it all through to the down part, right? To the down part like this, guys, to make it look smooth and to come and show you the next part. So guys, we are going to iron it and come and show you. All right, so guys, now we have done ironing it to make it look the way we want it to look right now. So guys, right now we are going to insert the office pin here or somewhere here, right? Somewhere here, right? So that the way we have arranged it is not gonna shake or make any mistake, you know, understand? So we are going to insert it here. And so guys, you know what we're gonna do right now? We are going to open it. Oh, I wanted to stitch it all through before coming to this part. So okay, so guys, now we are going to open it. We're going to open it like this. We're going to open it because we want to stitch it on top of it, right? So please watch the way I'm doing it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how to do it, right? So guys, you see the place. Guys, you see the place I made. I add the office pin on it like this. You see that place? We are going to remove the office pin and to stitch it from the top to the down part. So just watch the way I'm doing it and you'll be able to understand the way or how to do it. So guys, we are stitching it to make it hard. When you seal it, when you stitch it, or you seal it back to make it hard. So we are going to the down part. Please make sure that the way you arrange it, right? So we are stitching it on the line like this to the end part, or to the down part. The machine motor is running slow. So guys, now we have done stitching these parts. So we are going to stitch the other part. So guys, can you see we have done stitching this part? So we are going to cut the excess thread from it, right? So now we are going to stitch the other part. So the other part is this place, from this place all through to the end part. So guys, let's turn it again and arrange the machine thread well so that we start to set it well. So guys, let me stitch this place well. You understand? We cut the excess thread, then we start stitching this one, right? Then we will start stitching this one. Start by stitching this one from the down to the end part, just like we stitched the first one. You understand? Just like we stitched the first one, all through to the end part. All through to the end part of the sewing, of the collar taping, or the collar sewing. So if you like this video, like, comment and share this video for back-to-back beautiful sewing tutorial videos. So we are stitching it all around. Please arrange it. Make sure you arrange it well while stitching it. Just arrange it well so that it doesn't make any miserability. So guys, we are stitching it all to the down side. So guys, now we have done stitching it, so we are going to cut the excess thread from it and to iron it, the back and the front, and to come and show you the results of the collar taping or collar sewing, right? All right, so guys, after ironing it, this is the results of the collar sewing. So when we put it down, or we pull it down like this, This is actually how it's looking. Can you see it? So we are putting it back. So this is actually how to stitch a collar neck, right? Or stitch a do a collar tape, you know understand. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, love you all.